Hello, all the examiners. I am Pakrapat Pakdino.
Hello, my name is Lirada Warawijitapan.
And my name is Sujinanop Noiseriwong. We are from Princess Jurapon Science High School, Pathum Thani, Thailand. Today, we would like to take this opportunity to talk to you about our innovation.
Did you know? Exercise is important, especially pregnant mothers, to keep mother and baby healthy. UNICEF data says more than 5 million children died before reaching their first birthday in 2020. Almost half of those deaths, 2.4 million, occur among newborns for a number of reasons. One of the reasons is that the mother has a narrow pelvic problem. That can result in miscarriage and a higher risk of miscarriage. Squat exercises are therefore important to delay the pelvis and open the cervix to aid in childbirth and reduce back pain. When the child grows up, a baby walker is required for balance training and enhance the good development of babies. After that, when the child is 2 to 5 years old, it is also necessary to use exercise equipment to train their physical fitness. The scooter is a device that helps train children's balance and muscles. Therefore, all the exercises have been combined into one device.
We have invented innovative exercise equipment from mother to child in a variety of contexts. The target group is pregnant mother to help with uterine pelvis expansion exercises. Infants aged 11 to 14 months to assist them in learning to walk, and children aged 2 to 5 to have fun with scooter. It also helps strengthen the child body to be strong.
Mothers who are preparing to give birth exercise with squats by holding on the device pedestal to hold themselves. 2. After giving birth, the mothers can exercise with the same posture to reduce their belly. 3. When the babies grow up, they reduce the height of invention to suit the height of the baby and add wheels to be able to practice movement. 4. When the child grows up, it is able to disassemble the device, and it can be transformed into the scooter. One, help expand mother's pelvic floor for easy birth. 2. Help reduce the belly of the mother after giving birth.
3. Help develop muscle, baby balance and movement. 4. Enhancing imagination and entertaining children to play by scooters. 5. Can be used to exercise, practice development, create entertainment. All in one value for money, which correspond to the Sustainable Development Goals, or as we call SDGs, in item 3, 8, and 9. That's bring presentation to the end. Thank you for your attention.